Welcome. Today we're diving into how to enable friend suggestions notifications on Snapchat, making sure you never miss out on connecting with new pals. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This action will take you to your profile, where all the fun begins. Next, find the gear icon, which is also located in the top right corner. Tapping this icon will lead you to the settings menu, where you can customize your Snapchat experience. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on that to access notification preferences. Here, you'll see various options that you can toggle on or off. Now it's time to look for Friends Suggestions. This is the feature that allows you to receive notifications about potential friends you might want to add on Snapchat. Just mark this option and you're all set. With Friend Suggestions enabled, you'll be notified whenever Snapchat thinks you might want to connect with others, helping you expand your friend circle effortlessly. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can stay updated on friend suggestions. Thanks for watching and happy snapping.